Hello guys, in this tutorial you're going to see how to make a converter script. That is, converter script is for converting the integer value to hexa, binary and octal number. So let's see what's inside the script. So this is the script, you can see it, right? So I'll run and show you how it works. So it's asking for the enter the number, that is enter the number is an integer number. So you can see how I have defined it, right? So DEC, that is for that I'm saving that input. So I'm entering the number, it is giving you the output, right? So you can see that output column bin oct hex, right? So these are the inbuilt Python function for calling the respective values. So DEC is the string I'm storing that input, so I'm calling it using this functions, so it will be displaying you the output, right? So let's see how to make a GUI using a tkinter. So I will open the file and show you. So you can see this is that tkinter file, so I'll run it. So you haven't seen the GUI, right? So that now I will enter the integer value. So if I give convert, it will be converting to the respective binary, octal and the hexadecimal value. So let's see what's inside this. So you can see that tkinter import, right? So this is for importing the tkinter module. So root and these are the basic syntax for defining a widget. So you can see that string result underscore binary octal hexadecimal, this is for saving the result. So below I am defining a program, that is diff convert. So this is defining the program. So x1, this is that input that we are getting from the user. So yeah, that's it. So this is binary, so this is that function. So this output will be saved in that result underscore binary dot set. Dot set is nothing but the print function that is we are using in the tkinter as dot set. So that binary answer will be set in this. So similar way for octal and hexadecimal we are defining it. So what is it? So if we go below label, so now we have to see how to define a widget, right? So you can see that yeah, x1 lab. So this is for getting the enter the integer value for constant. This is the lab that we are defining it. Similarly for binary, octal and hexa, we are defining the label. So for label answer, so the another one, so second column we are defining similar way, right? So that's how we are defining. So now we have to make which row, which column the respective label should be present. For that we are using this grid. This is the tkinter basic function for calling this. So we are calling grid and we are defining the row equal to 1, column equal to 0, x1 lab. So that lab will be defined in this respective rows and columns. Similarly for answer, so one row, column 1, column 0 we have defined these values, and column 2 we have defined the outputs. Then convert button we are defining it. Then finally we have title, so that is the title of that app. You can say hex, binary, octal converter, though this is the title of the app. So this is the simple tutorial for creating for converting the integer to hex, binary and octal converter. So if you want to know how to make this as a .exe file, you can watch my below tutorial that I have made a .exe file using PyInstaller. So you can find the description, you can find the example files that I'm showing here. So you can download it and you can edit the code and enjoy with it. So yeah. So you can watch my remaining tutorials of making simple apps and simple scripts and converting that into GUI. So this will be very useful if you are a beginner in tkinter GUI creating. So thanks for watching. Happy coding.